What's up? It's C3P2 here. We'll be going over Chapter 3, Program number 2. This is actually doing a number guess. Well, I actually have to implement some loops, some while loops it looks like. And this might be actually a rather long video, but I'll go over all the details. The project is actually down in the description, so if you want to take a look at that, go ahead. So let's go ahead and start off with a new project. We're going to go ahead and input all the information that we need up here, such as the description. We're going to import our scanner. Now going from there, we're going to go ahead and declare our variables and create our scanner keyboard. So this should look something like this. Make sure you guys are adding in your comments along the way or at the end of the program. And then let's go ahead and do a system print line. This is going to go ahead and kind of tell the user inform the user of what this program is going to do. So we're going to try to guess a number between 1 and 10. So we're going to go ahead and create a while loop. So to do that, you just type in while, and then in parentheses, playing game is equal to 1. And I'm going to go ahead and just paste in the rest of this code, and we will go ahead and just kind of explain it and work through it together. So let's see here. So this is going to be a lot of code to kind of run through, but we've actually got a nested while loop. What that means is that we have a while loop right here and a while loop right here. So how a while loop works is it's going to repeat an action until the condition is true. So while playing game is equal to 1, it's going to go ahead and perform whatever's in the brackets. So this is actually going to continue as long as playing game is equal to 1. This is going to go ahead and continue. And I believe that this first while loop is actually not even required as far as this program, and I think you actually only need this second while loop. So if you want to kind of impress your instructor, go ahead and start out with this first one. Otherwise, you just need what I'm highlighting right now. So let's go ahead and do. Oh, sorry, I need to stop scrolling. I'm losing my place. Okay, system.out.println. We're going to go ahead and ask the user to input their guess, and then they'll input their guess, and we'll put that as guess number. So while guess number does not equal random number, so we have a random number generated, and I'm not sure if you noticed that, but this is actually the random number code that you'll need. So in our variable, we have random number is equal to int math.random. And the 10 plus 1 is actually going to give us a number between 1 and 10. Okay? So let's say their guess, so this is going to keep repeating itself until the number that they guessed is actually equal to the random number. So if the guess number is greater than the random number, we're going to go ahead and tell them that their guess was too large. If it was less than the random number, we're going to go ahead and tell the user that their guess was too small and accept that input, and then it'll loop again. Once the loop is actually equal to the random number, we'll go ahead and inform the user that they got it. Yes, you got it. The number was, and we'll tell them what the correct answer was. Would you like to play again? Type 1 for yes, 2 for no. They type in 1, it'll actually repeat the game, it'll pick a new random number, and they'll have to guess again. But if they put 2 for no, it'll actually end the program, it'll terminate the program. This is actually the rest of the code that you would need to actually repeat the program or to terminate the program. So that's pretty much it for this. I do recommend typing this out and kind of going with the flow rather than just copying and pasting. So that way you can kind of understand loops and the way that they work. Normally my go-to loop is a for loop. You've got for loops, do while loops, and then while loops. And the main loop that I always use is the for loop. The while loop is just, I don't know, it's whatever. So if you guys already haven't, go ahead and visit my website. Give me some clout just by visiting it. And if you guys have any questions, comment below. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.